Media in Pakistan has evolved a lot. We've gone to more than 100 channels in the last 2-3 years, and but unfortunately we're losing focus on the entertainment side of the industry. We're just focusing on the news and current affairs side of the industry.
Quantity of channels, quality.
Even the quality versus quantity has decreased. There are only a few channels on which you get good quality content, be it music channels. We have gotten a lot of Indian content coming up. So it's better to watch an Indian channel rather than watching a pirated or, the actual show is on Filmfare. For example, if I give you an example of Filmfare Awards, I watch it in January on Sony, and then I watch it in April on Jio. It's better for me to watch it at Sony and do better stuff in April.
Well, for the last 5 years, I believe the media has expanded enormously, and there have been many channels, many media houses which have come onto the fore, and there has been immense competition within the news channels. Some of the hybrid channels have turned into news channels, which is a pretty surprising thing. But then again, if it sells, it's good.
I think the evolution of media came when Musharraf relatively set the media free, right before he imposed sanctions on it once again. But the evolution of media, we've recently seen such a huge burst of media channels coming in. And I think the media has evolved, but the sudden outburst of power to media, even the media does not know what to do with it. They've suddenly been given this great power that they can do whatever they want, they can propagate all types of news, they can portray people as whatever they want. And this sudden power given to people who cannot handle it is completely exploiting that power.
In terms of media involvement, I think media is moving towards a more positive step. I think if you compare media 20 years ago to now, media is definitely learning how to work through different mediums we have. Now we have the internet, and we're more online, and now we're working through televisions, to advertisements, to radio, and people are talking more on the videos and newspaper you read more.
A lot media development in our society especially, it was needed since the inception of our state and everything, but it came in late. But we are glad that we do have media, but unfortunately they aren't playing the role or aren't fulfilling the responsibilities that have been assigned to them.
हाँ, इन्फ्लुएंस तो मीडिया जाहिर बात है करता ही है, अब तो बहुत ज़्यादा हो गया है कहते हैं, क्योंकि उसी से लोगों के जो है
आइडियाज़ बनते हैं,
आइडियाज़ न्यूज़ मिलती हैं, उससे चेंज आता है, या जो न्यूज़ चल रही होती है उससे लोग रिएक्ट होते हैं.
मीडिया as such is not an organization जो उसका बड़ा सा हाइप बना हुआ है. Media is the voice of the people because it is run by the people. So media के जो opinions हैं, those are the opinions of the people themselves. You cannot take them separately. But yes, in a way, media does influence जो भी आप उसमें air करोगे.
Obviously, because people have started to become very sadistic and they view life in a very pessimistic way. And this is basically the crux of the whole thing, because news channels never make you feel good. And if you want to have a good life, you want to have a very positive, vibrant life, stop watching news channels.
I think it plays a huge role in influencing our decisions. The majority of the people in Pakistan are illiterate, and average Pakistani person does not have his own opinion. He just follows what the big leaders and the opinions of the people on television, on the most exposed medium, that is TV. He just follows their opinions. Whatever they're saying, he believes them without even considering or without even researching if it's right or wrong. He believes whatever they tell him to believe, and if they give biased news that is inclined towards some sort of party or towards some particular agenda, the normal average Pakistani TV watcher believes it too.
I think very much. Apparently in our society, media is more towards making big money, getting more sponsors, rather than making people evolve in a positive manner, guiding them about the positive things.
Exactly, it does, because I believe if media wants to like project something, it will do that in a lot of different ways, and it would go out of proportions. And if it wants to hide something, then there are a lot of things which media knows how to do it.
यूज़ भी हो रहा है, बाज़ जगह मिस यूज़ भी हो जाता है, लेकिन ज़्यादातर हमें मतलब पॉजिटिव रहा है ज़्यादा. मीडिया का बहुत इसमें ज़्यादा रोल रहा है लोगों को अवेयरनेस देने में.
Well, if you look at media in any country of the world, media always like to exploit their rights because they want to spice everything up so people get more interested in listening to what's going on.
They are completely exploiting the power, as I mentioned before, that has been given to them. They portray whatever agenda they want to portray. All the channels you see from, all the news you see from 9 to 10, and then all the talk shows that you see from 10 till 12 in the night, all are propagating a particular agenda that has been given to them. They always show one side of the story.
They're not using their rights totally in an ethical way. Yeah, a lot of times, a lot of news that we get to see on media is worth seeing on the media, you know. They're doing a good job. We're informed. We're an informed nation.
I believe so, because if a person is going to a particular place like a washroom, and that person holds a lot of value within the society, then if that's the breaking news, then obviously anything could be a breaking
Do you think irrelevant content being coming up on channels?
Definitely.
So you think every other news is breaking news?
I don't think so personally, obviously, but if the media is doing it in that format, then there must be some weight behind it.
I think again, let's look back into the past. When I used to watch TV on like CNN, when we used to get down here locally, TWA was the only one which I remember as a breaking news. Like 700 people died on it, a lot of things happening. Moving on in our society, I think the current security or social threats, because of that, every news is becoming a breaking news.
Not anymore. Not anymore on Pakistani channels. Every news, in fact, channels worldwide, the true essence of breaking news is lost.
I think it is completely wrong. Recently, you've seen a lot of examples of that, like Meera. Now, I don't think Meera is breaking news in any way, and whatever was happening to Meera was breaking news or even close to breaking news. But whenever I would turn on Jio, whenever I would turn on some other news channel, it would be Meera all over the place, and they would suddenly interrupt some program to show Meera. This is a new scandal of Meera, some new pictures coming out of Meera, some new letters coming out of Meera. I don't think that even qualifies as breaking news in any way.
I think breaking news should only be something that's big enough to be played on a channel like BBC, CNN, or even Jio, but something that opens the eyes of many people, not some small event.
Well, I'm sorry to say, but हमारे यहाँ good content की appreciation नहीं होती है इतनी ज़्यादा, and because of that, the media personnel and the people running the show, they resort to nothing but sensationalism, because that's what appeals to the people.
The youth should just rise and wake up and do something, because nobody else will come in and change yourself. You would have to change yourself from within.
I think the biggest step that the youth of Pakistan can take today is form their own opinion, research, find out what's going on our own accord. Do not form opinion based on leaders and the media personalities we see on TV and the people we're exposed to.
अमेरिकन चैनल्स वो उस तरह की अमेरिका के अगेंस्ट न्यूज़ नहीं देते, तो ये तो कुछ मीडिया वालों को रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी उनकी होना चाहिए कि इस तरह से न्यूज़ दें कि पाकिस्तान का इमेज ख़राब ना हो.
They should be really aligned with what their responsibility is to the society. Like they either is educating or just propagating about different things or coming up every second hour.
The media situation in our country can only be improved if we start from scratch. Basically, people need to look at what they've been doing for the last 20 years and improve on that. Only then I think we can make a difference.
Thinking all the time and going out instead of sitting indoors and commenting, not resorting from drawing room and discussions, and yes, most of all, educating themselves.